The grievance of the writ petitioner who has been working in the rank of a radio mechanic in the Assam Rifles was that the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Director General of Assam Rifles having accepted that the members of the Assam Rifles should be given the same rank and pay structure as was given to other central paramilitary forces, but the same had been denied to them. It was pleaded that as the Ministry of Home Affairs had conveyed its decision to rationalize the rank structure of non-gazetted personnel of central paramilitary forces. Equally, pay structure in other ranks including the radio mechanics in the Assam Rifles could not be denied. His further grievance was that after the implementation of the Fourth Pay Commission, the pay of the head constable and radio mechanic was fixed in the pay scale of rupees 4,000 to 6,000 without any discrimination between the general duty and technical category, but the discrimination surfaced when higher pay scale of rupees 5,000 to 8,000 was given to the radio mechanics working in the BSF, denying the same pay scale to the radio mechanics in the Assam Rifles. It was also pointed out that the radio mechanics working in the Delhi police organization had been given a much higher pay scale, which was being denied to the similar rank holders in the Assam Rifles. Para Mr. B. Datta, learned additional Solicitor General appearing for the Union of India, contended that the direction given by the High Court is manifestly contrary to the settled legal position enunciated by this court in several decisions that pay fixation is essentially an executive function ordinarily undertaken by an expert body like the Pay Commission, whose recommendations are entitled to a great weight, thought not binding on the government. It was argued that the recommendations of an expert body are not justiciable since the court is not equipped to take upon itself the task of job evaluation, which is a complex exercise. Para Mr. Ranjit Kumar, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the respondent, on the other hand, submitted that the petitioners, having themselves admitted that there was an anomaly in the pay scales of the personnel of Assam Rifles, particularly the radio mechanics, as compared to their counterparts in other paramilitary forces. The High Court was fully justified in giving the impugned directions. It was pointed out that in fact the Director General Assam Rifles, who is one of the petitioners in the present appeal, had himself recommended to the Ministry of Home Affairs that the anomaly in the pay scales of the radio mechanics should be rectified. Learned counsel submits that it is unfair on the part of the Director General to take a sum result and oppose the direction given by the High Court, which is in consonance with his recommendation. Learned counsel, however, stated that the respondent was not pressing for parity with the personnel of Delhi police. Over.